turn the lid clockwise as much as possible. Click and further 1.5 round until not possible anymore, and then shake it so the powder is released from the cap to the liquid. Unscrew it counterclockwise. So you have the liquid and the cap. The tamper evidence will stay on or be removed. But this you throw out. All powder, or as much as possible, have been released from the cap. Then you have the bottle with the oil and a powder of probiotics on top or inside the oil. You add the dropper and put it in the refrigerator. When you dose it, you open the bottle, squeeze down the pipette, ensuring you dose 5 drops a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add the dropper again and put it back to the refrigerator.